Hi everyone! As you'll see, I received an amazing box of goodies from Muse Beauty Pro, and I'm so excited that I get to demonstrate and do some tutorials on these products for you. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to trim your brows. These are Esam's stainless steel trimmers. They have hand-filed blades that allow for very detailed trimming. So I'm just gently brushing my hair up and trimming off the long ends. You want to keep your trimmers parallel to the line that you want to create. Trimming also makes it 10 times easier to fill your brows in because the length and density won't get in your way. You can also use these to trim false lashes as well. Next, I'll show you how to safely tweeze any unwanted hairs. You'll want to grab onto the hair as close to the skin as possible and glide it out the way it's growing. If you grab at the tip and not the root, you'll likely break the hair, causing irritation or ingrowns. Also, if you're on a brow growth journey with an esthetician normally, stay about 1 millimeter outside the density line so you don't go too far. Another safe tip is to take a step back from the mirror every few hairs to make sure you see the full picture. The first product I'm going to use to fill my brows in today is the Esam Brow Pencil. This is a fine point pencil that is perfect for creating either individual strands of hair for a sparse or non-existent brow, or you can even shade the background of a very full brow. I have medium fullness, so my goal is to fill in my spaces, create symmetry, and overall fullness. I'm using the color Brunette, but these pencils also come in blonde and ebony. They're waterproof, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Next, I'm adding a little powder with my Esam B15 angled brow brush. This brush is made from badger hair to provide control and precision, and just add a little extra color. To diffuse and blend my brows, I'm using Esam's P17 eyebrow grooming brush to achieve a softer look. To complete my brow look, I'm adding a line of concealer with my Esam T41 Concealer Brush. This will add dimension and make the brow pop. And finally, I am just blending it out with my fingertip. For my eyelids, I'm going to use the Esam dual-sided eye pencils. These creamy pencils are designed for shading, defining, and highlighting features. I'm using the gold side first to add shine to my inner corners. To blend this out, I'm using my Esam T37 small rounded flat angle brush. I love adding a pop of color to my under eyes as well. Next, I'm using the matte end of my pencil in brown to define the outer corner of my lash line. To blend this out, I'm using Esam's G27 Sm Shadow Brush. Finally, I'm adding more gold to the center of my eyelid and blending it again with my Esam T37. All right, I'm happy with my eyes and my brows, so I'm gonna move on to things for the lips. All right, my lips are hydrated and ready for some product, so I'm gonna be using Esam's dual-sided lip pencil. This is in Plum. I'm just following the natural lines of my lips to create a clean base for this look. These pencils are amazingly pigmented, so I'm using very little pressure to achieve this. Okay, now that my lips are lined just slightly, I'm gonna be using the W19 from Esam. I'm just taking color directly from the pencil and adding it to the rest of my lips. Even though I'm lining and filling my lips with the same color, lining them still helps to make the lips pop. So the last product I'm gonna show you guys is the Viseart Moisture Boost Lip Shine. This is a hydrating, non-sticky oil gloss in 4 different shades. Grapeseed, jojoba, and sunflower seed oil nourish and plump the lips. This product is vegan, gluten-free, silicone-free, and petroleum-free. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. I will tag all of the product partners that made this video possible because they are all amazing and everyone should check them out. And I hope everyone stays safe and sane.